Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P12 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to open the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find general settings. Let's tap. Now scroll down to the very bottom again to enter developer options. No worries if you do not have developer options, it's quite normal. You can, if you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. And now a quick guide what to do to turn them on. Just go to the About Tablet, localize software version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. But as I said, you can check our tutorial for more info. So now scroll down and enter developer options, and here all you have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this automatic system updates option. As you can see, in my case it is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off, simply tap on the switcher to activate this option, and from now on, of course, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.